Natomas Unified's Nutrition Services Department was honored with a Golden Bell Award from the California School Boards Association for promoting educational excellence through student outreach. Our ultimate goal is to affect kids' eating habits in healthy ways for many, many years to come.
In Nutrition Services, we feel fortunate to have the largest classroom in the district. We have the opportunity to teach kids about food, not just about the nutrition aspect of food, but about how much greater food can bring people together in so many different ways.
For Natomas Unified, we are so proud of our Nutrition Services Department, especially their outreach to individual schools, because what we're hoping to give our kids is, one, experiences of potentially new fruits and vegetables they've never tried, but two, also a lifelong learning about nutrition and the importance of being healthy, as well as the experience that they get in the openness of different possibilities in the food industry.
Remember the old adage, food for thought? Well, here at Natomas Unified, we are producing plenty of both. We are providing a wide array of programs that go far beyond the traditional stocking of school cafeterias. We work directly with high school culinary students, campus culinary clubs, and students of all ages through cooking demonstrations, cooking instructions, farm field trips, teaching nutrition, healthy eating, and food-related careers. This educational component is vital, innovative, and impactful practice that can be replicated by other districts. As we have worked with students in the past few years, there have been an increase in school meal consumption. We have been able to eliminate a $500,000 annual deficit in the last 5 years. In education, we are in the business of teaching kids about things they don't know they love yet. This is true of fruits and vegetables as it is for math.
The purpose of Natomas Unified's Nutrition and Culinary Outreach program is to affect students' lives and those of their families for many years to come. We teach students about why nutrition matters, how to make meals taste better, and what culinary and agricultural career opportunities exist. Our nutrition services staff have many years of cooking knowledge and experience. They are the perfect fit to work with students, particularly those interested in culinary arts. In addition, our staff have been receptive to sharing their knowledge.
Natomas Unified is in the Sacramento Valley, and Sacramento has named itself, the farm to fork capital. And we are proud at Natomas to embrace that. And we embrace that because those are opportunities for our kids, especially as Natomas, we concentrate on college and career ready. There are so many careers and opportunities that go along with foods, from farming to culinary and hospitality, and I'm sure there are other the cooking channel if we happen to have somebody who wants to become an Iron Chef. So there are so many opportunities that we are proud to present and give to our kids.
Over the past 4 years, NUSD Nutrition Services has engaged students by helping to create culinary clubs at 3 high schools.
I appreciate what Nutritional Services provides for the school because it helps kids get out into the community more and learn more about nutritional services. Plenty of kids at this school want to get into the culinary arts and understand business and management and what goes on in our community, and they provide those things for them. And not only that, they help me and my club financially and help them teach what we don't know. There's some things that I learned from them that I didn't know, and I do home cooking and just learn off of my parents, but they just further it more. Before, I didn't know how to poach an egg. And some other things is what oils to use when cooking. And those are the things many students, especially myself, don't know how to do. And we've all been cooking for a while and been doing culinary for a while as well.
Our department assists programs like Intercom High's Culinary Club in providing a monthly teacher appreciation where they cook breakfast burritos, provide bagels, and other food items. We also work with culinary clubs by providing cooking demonstrations, implementing food sale fundraisers by planning menus, supervising, purchasing ingredients, and providing advice on pricing. At Discovery High School, We have worked with culinary students to help them get their food handler's card.
We help adult special education students learn independent living skills in the district's central kitchen. They have the opportunity to learn safe food handling techniques, cut fresh fruits and vegetables, and cup and package food items for district-wide distribution. During much of the summer, they assist in creating about 800 breakfasts and 2,400 lunches per day. Nutrition Services also provided curriculum to help these students obtain certification in food handling. Joel Schweiger of Natomas High School works with the Adult Transitions Program, which teaches independent living skills to students with special needs.
So food service has been outstanding as far as supporting my students. They have enabled my students to get their food handling certificates. All but one has passed that course. Our guys are working hand in hand with the workers down at the kitchen. They've learned numerous things as far as in the kitchen. So they've learned how to put on hairnets, the proper attire as far as what to wear for food services. And because of all the things that they've learned there, my students, several of them are now working at different sources as far as like Golden One. They're working at the amphitheater and working in food service. So it's because of Vince and his crew there at the district office that they've done these wonderful things.
Nutrition Services has made a large commitment in teaching and training students towards a career in the food and culinary field. Mike Mitchell heads our Discovery High School culinary program.
I know we always have Vince and the food service department over there as a close and strong resource for us, whether it's for the requisition of local products or for collaboration on local field trips. We've had our really good collaborations out there at the Vieira Farms for our Pumpkin Patch Day. We've also had our Ag Day at the Capitol, which is a very nice one. We get to set up right there at the steps of the Capitol, and the students have served, I think we've done 500 samples of, when we were doing it, it was a fruit salsa. So yeah, it's just a really great way for us to bring our food services full circle in this district, from the school lunches to the culinary education to involvement with the community. And we definitely appreciate having them over there.
Our newest high school, Leroy Green Academy, is also adding to our ensemble of nutrition culinary programs.
LGA students have had the opportunity to work with our nutrition service in the district office, and honestly, it's been a huge help to both our school and to our student population. Students have gotten the chance to not only learn the finer points of nutrition and how it can affect their lives in the future, they've also learned how to make healthy meals, eat healthily, and involve themselves in those sorts of programs much more actively. On top of that, the nutrition services has helped us out as a school in our major events, helping to make a lot of the food and a lot of the culinary cuisines that we've had that have been such a success in our community.
Me and some other classmates took a field trip down to the Capitol, and we cut food and helped them serve it, and it was just a really fun time, and it got to get to know all the food around us and what's nutritious and what's not. And it was just a bonding experiment with all my friends and stuff. Well, I always try to stay away from junk food, but after that, it made me want to try new things and eat more stuff because the stuff that I tasted was really good and I've never had it before.
For Natomas Unified and the nutrition service programs, I've been able to learn a lot about food actually. So when we went to Intercom for the 25th anniversary of Natomas Unified, I got to do the salsa cooking challenge, and I got to make salsa with a whole bunch of my friends in leadership. And what it taught me for the salsa cooking competition is that it taught me how to be aware of what we put in our food, like organic things and fresh produce. And I think that helped me a lot with how I eat now at home. I eat more salads and not as much junk food and processed food.
We partner with students to produce entrees and appetizers for various Natomas Unified community events, including a secondary school showcase, the opening of the district's B. Terry Burns Health Clinic, special events at Intercom High School, and at the state capitol to showcase efforts to buy California or locally grown food for school meals.
We have numerous other programs and events that Nutrition Services sponsors, such as organizing an annual community summer meal celebration, which last year attracted more than 1,300 people to mark the conclusion of NUSD's summer feeding program. Participating groups, teamed with NUSD so that in addition to a free barbecue meal, residents receive free fruits and vegetables, seed packets, tested and rated new recipes, made smoothies by pedaling a specially equipped bicycle, won prizes in a dairy trivia game, and watched cooking demonstrations by the Cordon Bleu Culinary School.
Nutrition Services organized a Rock Your Socks Off event to encourage students to try something new. For every student at H. Ellen Height Elementary or Natomas Unified School who sampled butternut squash that day, Nutrition Services donated a pair of socks to Natomas Unified's Joey's Food Locker. A total of 532 stepped up to try. This event also featured a free farmers market of cabbage, oranges, and squash, a photo booth, a lunch of California-grown food, and a demonstration of how to make an awesome apple crisp.
In addition to presentations by Nutrition Services staff throughout the year, Natomas Unified partnered with Sacramento State's Dietetic Internship Program to provide hands-on opportunities for interns to teach in Natomas Unified classrooms about health and nutrition. 19 dietetic interns have visited classrooms since 2012. Another educational opportunity Nutrition Service provided was a 10-week after-school program at Natomas Park Elementary in which students were taught how to prepare simple food items such as smoothies or taco salads and then sampled them. Kids also learned about nutrition, sanitation, and physical activity to burn calories. To celebrate Farm to School Month, we partnered with Vieira Farms to provide a free farmers market events at 7 schools, allowing students to choose fruits and vegetables to take home for families to sample.
We hope to teach kids that food is a lot more than just the nutrition piece of it. That food has the ability to bring us together, and it has the ability to provide health and well-being, and we hope that it has a lifelong impact on them through the activities that we provide.
I want kids to know that there's various careers out there that include careers in food, culinary, hospitality, and even agriculture. So exposing them at a young age will allow them to pique their interest and hopefully pursue a career. It's an opportunity for me to give back to an industry that's been very good to me. I want to teach the next generation of young culinarians and chefs to do the same.
Natomas Unified School District and our board are extremely proud and supportive of our food service programs, and supportive to the extent to know that we're not just teaching kids today, but we're teaching them for tomorrow, and we're teaching them for the next generation to come, because we have to educate our kids about the importance of being healthy, as well as making choices about being healthy, but also giving them those opportunities of what else is out there in the world that they might find their passion in, which could potentially be in our food services industry. Natomas Unified